Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add auto captions in CapCut on PC. Let's start by opening CapCut on your PC and creating a new project. Next, import the video you want to edit by going to the Media tab and clicking Import. Select your file and click Open. Once the video is imported, drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's apply auto captions. Navigate to the top left side and open the Text tab. In the left sidebar, click on Auto Captions. You can choose the language for the auto captions from the list. For this demonstration, we'll select English and then click on Generate. Wait for the captions to be generated. This may take some time for larger files. Zoom in on the timeline to view the captions on a new track. Let's customize the styling of the captions for better visibility. From the top right corner, navigate to the Text tab, and in the Basic settings, you can adjust the font style for the captions. If you scroll down a bit, you will see preset font styles. Feel free to explore these styles and choose the one that you like best. You can also apply text effects to make the captions more visually appealing for the viewers. You can also explore the Animations tab to add animations to the captions. Once you're satisfied with the captions and styling, it's time to export the video. Click on the Export button at the top. Enter the video name. Review any final changes, and then click Export. And that's it. This is how you can add auto captions in CapCut on PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.